Hi guys, this is a quick coin unboxing of coin that I bought from eBay here in UK. Uh, this was shipped to me free of cost, so and it's been as you can see it's got nice packaging as well. So it's looking at the coin for the first time. Okay, here is the coin itself. Let me try to focus. As you can see, it's a Victoria Empress 1901 1 rupee coin. Let me check what the mint is. Yeah, so over here, if I'm not sure if I would be able to focus that close, but there is a B mark over here indicating that this is from the Bombay Mint, and I bought it for around £9.5, so pretty much the merit value of silver. That's about it, guys. Thank you.